Hi there. Hopefully this is the first of many more series that I'll be able to upload in relation to insurance in superannuation. At the time of drafting this, we are still in lockdown, stage 4 in fact, and the future isn't very bright just yet. I think it's still looking like it's going to be extended a couple more weeks and then come back down to stage 3 emergency lockdown. But what that actually means is more people are going to be at home, they'll be with their devices, and it just seems like a missed opportunity not to engage with people out there who are all looking at their computers and have the ability to actually learn new things or understand things that they already know about but don't really understand in depth. And that's what I'm hoping to achieve, which is to talk about insurance in superannuation. So just first and foremost, I need to give a disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a lawyer. I don't work for an insurer. And what I do have though is 10 years of administration and experience in insurance within underwriting and claims. I've got over 20 years of experience within product design, pricing, insurance tenders, and more recently, of course, governance with a fiduciary lens. If you're living in Australia and you're working in Australia, you have a job, and more than likely you will have superannuation, and more than likely you will have insurance in superannuation. So these segments will be for you. These segments will, well, my intent anyway is to help try and simplify a lot of the issues that most people don't really get, and the people that are fully engaged are really the ones that are giving their opinions and sharing them within that community and making assumptions for those people, which are the majority, who don't really understand and are not engaged. We're talking about life insurance. There's many types of insurance. There's car insurance, travel insurance, home and contents insurance, and health insurance, if I've already said that. But what we're talking about here is life insurance, death and disability insurance, and not just the kind that you would get normally from any insurer. I'm focusing mainly on the insurance that you get in superannuation, the kind that you might get that you don't even know about, the kind that you're paying for from your super account that you don't even know about. And there's a lot happening. There's regulatory changes all the time. There's product changes coming from insurers all the time. And I'm blessed to know all about them because I am in the industry. But most people won't know about them because as much as the whole industry is trying to reach out to the general public, it's very difficult to get them to be engaged. So I'm hoping to break that down into little 5-minute segments when I upload a video, hopefully once a week on a weekend. When I haven't got my day job, and hopefully be able to share some of those complexities with you, or what's coming, or what regulatory changes coming through, and how will that impact you. So that's mainly my objective. And you know, most importantly, I want to be able to reach out to the general public, and hopefully you can give some comments as well, and I can gather enough people to follow and give their opinion and hear their voices and be able to actually pass that through the product issuers, so that they have a decent understanding of what is coming through and what people are understanding and what people are not understanding. So I think that was just a short video to give you an introduction of what's going to come through. It's been a long time that I've been really wanting to do this, but just the more I put it off, the more complex I think it's going to be, then the more I'm just shying away from it. But today's the day, and I'm hoping to share some of my insights and the trends that I'm observing with you. They will all be my personal opinion. And again, I don't want it to be formal, and I hope if you're commenting, don't comment on my hair, don't comment on the way my face looks or what I'm wearing, because that's not what this is all about. It's all about just sharing my knowledge of insurance and superannuation, and encouraging people to have a discussion and be engaged in what would ultimately affect them, and ultimately things that are impacting their retirement in the future. So with the usual closing, if you're new to this, please subscribe. If you know someone who's got superannuation or doesn't understand it, or you're joining the industry and you want to learn about it, please subscribe and click like, and hopefully we can gather some momentum in the future. Thank you very much, and I look forward to having you on board in the next video. Chat soon.